Hey guys, welcome back to another video. On today's video we will be showing you how to make chicken tikka masala. So we're going to start off by showing you how to make the masala sauce. It's really easy, really quick to make. So we've got some tandoori paste here, we've got some tikka paste, we've got some Kashmiri paste, we've also got some red colouring, and we've also got some 500 grams of Greek yogurt. Having said that, let's go and make our sauce. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is start adding our paste to make our masala paste. So I'm going to use a Kashmiri paste first of all. We're going to use 1 good teaspoon of that. And then what we're going to do, we're going to have tikka paste, and we're going to put 2 tikka paste on there. And then we're going to put tandoori paste on there, which is going to be 1.5. Give it a mix. And then we're going to add our yogurt in there. Add our food colouring. And that is our masala sauce ready. Hey guys, it's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Thanks ever so much for watching our videos, and listen up, please like and subscribe to our channels using the link below, and of course remember to set those notifications.